Alright guys, so the elders and I, we decided to call this board meeting together so that we can discuss the disfellowship of Janine, Sister Janine. As we all know, she, was caught in adultery, and because of that birthed a child, and apparently this is just coming to light. So, it's one of those things. I wanna lick you from your head to your toes, and I wanna move from the bed down to the floor. That was something that. Is this my phone? This ain't. Oh, that's what it is. I took my son's phone. I gotta get that boy. I gotta get on him. Excuse me, guys. I need to go make a call to my son real fast. Hold on. That's exactly what I was saying. I was like, look, Deacon, you know what I'm saying? You really got a problem with me just because I parked my car in the pastor's spot. You know what I'm saying? It's a spot. There ain't nowhere else to park. But the pastor ain't going to be here today. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. You want to throw blows? We can throw blows. You know what I mean? It is what it is. 525,600 minutes. Oh, 525. Oh, shoot. Y'all know I used to be in theater and stuff, you know what I'm saying? When I was before I was a thug and then before I became Christian and stuff. Alright guys, so listen, right here in Job, he says, listen carefully to my words. This is chapter 21. Listen carefully to my words. Let this be the consolation you.
It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip a party like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up.
I'm sorry, you guys. That song's hard to give up. Okay? I mean, it's a good one. It's one of those that. Ding, 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 ding. You know what I'm saying? It's just, I'm sorry. Alright, little boys and girls, let's sing along, okay? Jesus loves the little children. All the children of the... Get my phone up, black and white. Turn my phone. Jesus loves the little children of the world.